Hello guys, today we learn about selection tools in Photoshop. Selection tools are designed to select regions from the active layer so you can work on them without affecting the unselected areas. So let's start. File, open. I choose these three images for the learning of selection tools. Okay, this is my favorite picture so far. Okay, now we start from the move tool. First of all, we unlock the layer. The first tool we choose is move tool. The short key of the move tool is V. After selecting the move tool, we can select the image and you can see that the image is moving. After that, we choose rectangle selection tool. Selection tool is often used for the selection the particular area, or if you want to choose another area, then press shift and make the area. Pressing V, area is now cut. By pressing Ctrl X, we can cut the selected area. Now you can see that I have selected area which I cut from the original picture. I start from the lasso tool. Drag your mouse and select the area just like this. Okay, you can see that the area which I selected is not accurate. I want to adjust this selected area by pressing Alt and then I will round the selected area. You can see that the selected area will come downwards. Shift and the selected area will go upward. Now I deselect the selected area and press spacebar and move the image and choose another lasso tool which is called polygonal lasso tool. In this tool you can see that there is a line the mouse will carry where you go. I go this way. I'm not doing this accurately because you have to practice. Look, there is some area which is downward. Now pressing shift, the area will go upward. Is like that. Okay, the shift and alt button will do the same. Now I deselecting it and now there is my favorite and most used tool. This tool will select automatically. Okay, you can see that there is one selected area which is not okay. Then we use Alt. We will do the unlock the layer, make new layer, cut the image. We select the real image layer and cut the image. All background is gone. The next tool is Magic Font. Shortcut key is W. In Magic Font there is tolerance. It will select the very particular area just like that. Now I deselect and change the value. Now you can see that the area is bigger. If I do it, the area and the selection one is also changed. Now I will do 100%. After that I can deselect the area and now I click, so you can see that the whole area will select, and I go to file and revert, so the image is back to original. Now I use the new selection tool. In this tool the area is automatically selected and now the layer is unlocked. You can delete the selected area. The area is removed smoothly. Now I remove the selected area. Okay, by pressing Alt and drag I can zoom the image. After pressing minus will appear. Okay, after pressing Alt the plus sign will change into minus, just like that, and by this I can deselect the area which I don't want to erase. Okay, now the area is selected accurately. Now I delete the area. You can see that the area is cut smoothly. Now I want to remove this area. Okay, now I zoom it, and by pressing Alt I can deselect where I want and select where I want, deselect. Okay, now okay, by zooming out you can see that the whole area is selected accurately. Now I delete the selected area and deselect. You can see that this line is appear. This line is removed by rubber easily. Okay, now I choose again and select the area. After selecting the area I can delete. Choosing rubber. Now you can see that there is a lot of selection tool which we use today. uh, which one is your favorite and which one you oftenly use? Please tell us